Hi everyone. In this short video, I'll walk you through a change in how Naviate for Revit is installed, starting with Revit's 2027 release. Until now, each Revit version had its own installer. Revit 25 and 26 had separate installers. Starting with Revit 2027, a single MSI installs Naviate applications across Revit 25, 6, and 7, one installer instead of 3. To install Naviate, close any Revit instances and start the installer. Click Next and accept Symetri terms and privacy policy and continue. Now this is where the installer change is visible. I'm presented with a list of 3 Revit versions. I will uncheck Revit 2025 and then I will click Next. Now choose your region and click Next. This will set up Revit 2026 and 2027 version of Naviate in a single operation. Keep in mind that all installed Naviate applications must share the same version number across Revit versions. You cannot mix versions. It means that any older 2025 or 26 installations will be removed and replaced when you run this installer. Prior to install, I had Naviate Accelerate 2026. Now it's replaced with one single installation, Naviate Accelerate. This one covers Revit 26 and Revit 27. If I right-click and go to Change, I can add or remove versions. I am presented with the same list, and here I will remove 26 and add 25. And that's the new multi-version installer, one NSI. Thanks for watching.